saw a funny or helpful video on Reddit and want to save it? Here's how to download Reddit videos in just few taps. First, copy the Reddit post link that contains the video. You can do this by tapping the share icon and selecting copy link. Now open a browser and go to a Reddit video downloader site like redditsave.com. Paste the copied link into the input box and hit download. The site will give you options for video quality. Tap to download your preferred one. The video will save directly to your device's downloads folder. If the link does not work, make sure the post is not from the private subreddit or that it's an actual video, not a GIF or embedded content. Which videos do you save? Memes, tutorials, or inspiration? Comment below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.